Alright, here we are at the Bare and Bones chapter with Pitmaster Jay. And we've come up to Canada to cook some poutine, so we're going to have an authentic Canadian with us right here. And today's poutine is going to be cooked in beef tallow, which they tell us will taste like...
It'll make your fries taste like brisket. So the fries we're going to make in beef brisket tallow, and we're going to use that for oil to cook the fries in. Brisket tallow, you can buy it at some butcher shops, or you can make it yourself when you smoke a brisket. You take your trimmings, your fat trimmings, and you cook them with the brisket while you're cooking them, just in a pan, and it'll render down the fat, and then you bottle that up, and it's good for, you can use it for your brisket, or you can use it for frying fries and stuff.
All right.
So we'll dump this in here.
I think it's got a pretty high smoke point too, isn't it? Like 450 or something like that?
450, yeah.
Yeah, pretty good for frying.
So you're gonna heat it up, we're gonna let it melt so it gets to a clear oil, and we'll try and keep it right around 375 when we go to dump our fries in, because it's gonna drop about 20 or 30 degrees once you put your fries in. Brisket butter.
Brisket butter. Juice of brisket. Okay, let's get this bacon on here. Alright, this is a bit of chicken gravy going on in here. You can make it yourself, but of course we just went down to the store and bought it. This one's good, we like it. So we'll heat up a couple of cans of that. And just open the can up here. And we'll just put that on and warm that up, because the next up the fries are going on. And this is going to come together pretty quickly, so that can go on the heat. Okay. Get that to warm. Bacon's ready. Oh, baby. Alright, we're just going to dice up this little bit of bacon, because we're going to put it back onto the griddle with the curds, which is, I believe, an unorthodox poutine production style, but that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to put this on the griddle, heat it up with the curds. Okay, let's put this thing together. Put a few fries down here. Put some of these curds. Oop, came out a bit fast. Some curds. More fries. Some more curds. Just like course, a few spring onions on top, and a few chives. Now, just put a little gravy on here. Just like that. There we go. And a few more. And last but not least, Toronto maple leaves, this is made from Toronto maple leaves? No.
The hockey team.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Of course. A little maple syrup, make it truly Canadian. Over the top. Just like that. Okay. Take a look at that. Right, curds, bacon, whey, fries. Wicked good. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up.
That was very good. Good job. Very good.
So remember, the next time you're looking for a poutine recipe for your pit, check out BBQ Pit Boys.com.
All right.